Dear friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is meaning of financial management. This is in the introduction chapter, that is the first chapter of the subject financial management. Now let us see the meaning of financial management. Financial management is the effective and efficient management of finance of a concern, so that the owners get maximum return, that is profit, and there is guarantee for the interest and the loan provided by the financial institutions. Now let us see owner's contribution. In small business, one-man business, owners may contribute 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh or 50 lakhs, like that. And the profit earned by the concern is only for him. So in some case, 2 or more persons, it is called partnership. The previous one is sole trader. This is partnership. The partnership, 2 or more person will share the profit. And in company form of business, the owners are scattered throughout the country or even foreign countries through shares. The shares are in the form of equity shares and preference shares. And these owners of shares, that is called shareholders, are given return, that is called dividend. The profit earned by the concern is distributed to owners after paying the interest and tax. Then another category is outsiders who provided finance in the concern. So the inflow of the business through owners and inflow of finance through the outsiders. Outsiders provide long-term loans. These long-term loans are provided by banks and financial institutions. The period of loan may be 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. The institutions may be banking concerns, and especially from the financial institutions. Then apart from that, the concern can raise finance through the issue of debentures. Public can also lend, just like shares. Shares enjoy the ownership, but the debentures are not enjoying ownership. This is a debt, considered as a debt. And for the contribution of finance to the business or inflow of finance into the business by outsiders should be serviced by their interest. Rate of interest may be 10%, 15%, 20%. That depends upon. Then for all the debenture or loan. Then these two types of finance, that is inflow to the business, just like rivers are providing water to a dam. Owners and outsiders. Owners' contribution is termed as equity or own fund, and outsiders' contribution is called as debt. Only debt. That means loan. As long-term loans only. Okay, with the finance only, the company can manufacture goods and provide services and earn profit. The maximization of the profit is the main aim of a concern, and this would be, met by the strong financial management, that is efficient and effective management of finance. Okay, that is the meaning of financial management. Okay, thank you.